Hey everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining. It's me, Bjorn, aka Bjorn2Sell, and today I've got some great summer DIY projects. I figured, you know what? It's nice, the sun is shining, the air is warm, why not get some projects done? Whether it be creating a cozy outdoor space, taking care of some interior projects, or maybe doing some much needed maintenance on the outside, I've got you covered. These projects should leave you feeling satisfied and hopefully won't cost you too awfully much. So what do you say? Let's get this party started. First up, let's talk about an easy indoor project that makes a huge difference, and that's painting your walls. Fresh paint can completely transform the look and the feel of any room. Go ahead and choose the colors that you want, ones that reflect your style and create an atmosphere that you want. If you feel the room needs a fresh coat, but you can't decide, you can do some quick searches on the old computer machine to see what colors are trending. Painting is a cost-effective way to spruce up your space and make it feel brand new. And the summer can be an ideal time to do some of that indoor painting because you can have the windows open, getting the air moving a little bit, and the temperature is just right to really let that paint cure nicely. Now, what do you say about moving outside? Let's talk about something that, well, we here in Minnesota really like, and that is fires. Building a fire pit is an awesome outdoor project that adds warmth and an inviting focal point to your backyard. It's perfect for those cool summer evenings that are just around the corner with friends, family, and neighbors. You can build a simple fire pit using bricks or stones. You can also get more intricate if you want, but please make sure to check your local ordinances related to fire pits and fire codes, etc. Your city website should provide all of that access, and if you're here in St. Cloud, make sure you look into getting the required permit to have that fire pit, well, to have fires in that fire pit, and your municipality might have a similar thing. Also, make sure to prioritize the safety by having a hose and or a fire extinguisher nearby. Make sure that you're a proper distance from buildings, trees, wires. Don't build it right under wires. I've seen way too many of them. With all that being said, this is a project you can complete, well, over a weekend. And just imagine the cozy nights you'll spend around the fire roasting those marshmallows and making yourself some s'mores. Summer is also a great time for some essential home maintenance. Let's start with power washing. Clean the siding, driveway, and patio with that power washer to remove dirt, mold, mildew, all that stuff that kind of builds up over the years. Not only does this enhance your home's curb appeal, but it also helps prevent damage over time. This is also a good time to determine if you need any exterior surfaces refinished. And if you do, reach out to me. I got some people that can help you. Speaking of maintenance, this is the big one to me. Don't forget about that HVAC system. One simple but critical task is changing your filter regularly. A clean filter improves the air quality and ensures your system runs efficiently, keeping your home cool and comfortable all summer long. But for real, keep up on your air filters. You don't even want to know the nasty stuff I've seen in filters over the years when people forget about it. You can run out to the old department store and get like a 12-pack for not that much. Put a new one in each month, you're going to be a lot happier. So there you have it. A few DIY projects and maintenance tips to keep your home looking great and running smoothly this summer. If you have any other simple projects or ideas, use the comments below to share your thoughts. Also, you can help out by giving this video a like and subscribing to the channel and maybe sharing it with a friend or family member. Wouldn't that be cool? Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back next week, you know that for a fact, with more great information. So until then, be kind to one another.